It's bright. My God. Hey guys, Julie here, and today is all about soft serve. I have been challenged to find which is the best soft serve. We're gonna hit up 3 places, so let's find out which one's the best. I've got you propped on my car right now because I don't have a proper tripod, so real professional. By the way, this is my cameraman, Sam. He's gonna be assisting today. What's the difference between soft serve and hard serve?
Serious question?
Yeah.
One's soft and one's hard, Julie.
But if you were to make soft serve fully frozen, would it then be hard serve? Does anybody call it hard serve? All right, first stop, McDonald's. Can I grab a cone? Yeah, regular soft serve cone? Yeah. All right, well there she be. That's my first ever soft serve cone from McDonald's. I gotta say, I'm slightly disappointed by the shape. But hell, it's hot, it's cold. So let's take some pics and then we'll do a review.
That thing is ludicrous.
Okay, so they were super busy. I'll give them that. McDonald's are always busy, but this is how it came. So, like 0 out of 10 on appearance and look. Oh, it's nice. Oh yeah, hot day. Good ice cream. I like it. It's cold, it's creamy, it's light. In terms of fast food soft serve, I think this was $1.69, so I'm pretty pumped. I think it's totally worth it. If I could give any criticism, you know what I'm gonna say. Okay, so the next one up is Dairy Queen. This one I have the highest expectations for. I mean, they specialize in ice cream. You know, they should be, I mean, they're the queens. They are the Beyoncés of the fast food ice cream world. So just based on that, I really expect great performance and great aesthetic appeal. All right, Dairy Queen, don't let me down. I'm looking for that iconic bubble shape. That's what I want. You know, the bubbles on top of each other? Oh, I love that. Chocolate dips, but not today. Not today, we're going simple. Hi, can I grab a small plain cone? Okay, this one looks way better. I just like these guys, they are professional. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it is so good. Oh, I should say, it was about $1.50 more than the McDonald's one. This is so good. This tastes like proper creamy ice cream. Worth it, $3? Yes, please. Do you think if I go in right now and ask her to get this chocolate dip, she'll do it?
No.
No? Dang it. Chocolate dip is so good. Okay, let's move on to the last one. Okay, so that really satisfied me. That like met my expectations. It was so good. I still think $3 is well priced. Now the next stop, Burger King. I've got 0 expectation. Actually, before this, I didn't even know that they had soft serve. So I just don't know. You guys, I'm gonna say something probably controversial and polarizing, but I'm not a huge fan of their burgers. I don't like the flame grilled broiled taste, whatever they call it. The burgers are frozen. I mean, they just can't be as good as an A&W burger or Wendy's burger. My opinion, I know. So I just have a hard time believing that their soft serve is gonna be any good. But I've been proven wrong before. So I've got an open mind, open heart. You know, we just hit the queen of dairy. We're about to hit the Burger King. Let's see if he's the king of soft serve. All right, in we go. BK. Can I grab a small vanilla cone? That's beautiful, thank you. Ooh, double doors, double doors. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, ow, my heel, I got my heel. Okay, you guys. Look at this BK Ice-Cream Swirl. That is gorge. That is gorge. Holy BK, like, way to come through on that swirl. Let's get some photos. Oh, this one's got a tang. Not a bad tang necessarily. Oh, I should also mention, it's the cheapest of the bunch. It was $1.30. So, and I think the most ice cream, if you ask me. It's giving me more of a frozen yogurt vibe, which I think I really like. It's really creamy, similar to Dairy Queen. It's not quite as like thick in that way. Very sweet, lots of vanilla flavor, but a little bit of that frozen yogurt kind of bite to it, which I really like. I think I'm gonna put this behind the Dairy Queen, but definitely in front of the McDonald's in terms of taste. I think it's got a 10 out of 10 for looks though. What do you think?
Not bad, I kind of like that one.
I know, that one's got a bit of tang. BK, come through. I don't know how I feel about McDonald's right now. BK went the extra mile today, and they're getting props because of it, let me tell you. Let's rank them real quick. I put Dairy Queen as #1. The taste just was well above the others, and I love the look. I'd say Burger King, the dark horse, came in at #2. Great taste, love the tang. And also, I mean, that cone structure, the aesthetic appeal was just right up my alley. And last is McDonald's. I was disappointed. The flavor was good, it was sweet, but it just did not compete with the other ones. And you know what? As a matter of fact, that cone structure, that was ratchet. That was a joke. So there you have my soft serve review. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.